The Turkish Bayraktar TB3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle has conducted its first operational mission during a NATO exercise in the Baltic Sea. Operating from the amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu, the TB3 successfully performed a full combat cycle at sea. This is the first confirmed operational deployment of a shipborne armed drone during a NATO exercise. The drone launched directly from the vessel, engaged a designated maritime target using 2 MAM-L precision-guided munitions in a controlled salvo, and safely recovered back on deck. The mission took place during NATO's Steadfast Dart 2026, marking the first time a shipborne armed UCAV has been deployed in a NATO drill. The TB3 is specifically designed for short takeoff and landing operations on vessels without catapult or arrestor systems, giving Turkey a unique drone carrier capability. This deployment signals a shift toward operational naval unmanned strike capability within NATO frameworks.